Hello, class. It is day 5, week 28. The date is 3/2020. And right now, I'm recording a video of what I would like you to do if you have this book. If you don't have your math book, that's okay too. All right. Go to page 70, how about we say 78. And I want you to put 24 hours divided by 3 equals 8. 8. 8. And your goal on any page, any piece of paper, is to write down what you think a typical day is for you. Uh, it can be accurate, it can be a goal. So, for example, I know that out of 24 hours into 8-hour segments, I know I sleep. My goal is to sleep for 8 hours. 8 hours of sleep. And then put from, hopefully, you're going to bed in the PM and you're waking up in AM. So if that's your reality, hopefully, if anything, it's higher than 8. I would hope that you're not sleeping less than 8 if you can help it. All right, of the next 8 hours, this 8 hours, those are the 8 hours on Mr. Corcoran. So 8 hours of, I'm going to call it work. And of the 8 hours, some of the things I do are, well, record lessons, send email. What else do I do? Work-wise, read. I'm also reading our different books. The one I read to you is Number the Stars. So I read Number the Stars. So you, for example, you could say instead of read, you would put you listen. Headphones. Listen to Number the Stars. And for sleep, I use a pillow and a blankie. And then if you want to put your little pet in there, I mean, Trixie sleeps in a crate, but whatever. No, that's not a rat. It's my dog. Okay, where was I? Okay, so reading hopefully is something you do. Maybe you're doing math. And if you can, take the 8 hours and break it up into, I don't know, anything from 30-minute, which would be, remember, that's a half an hour. Your smallest unit, I would say don't go smaller than 15 minutes. Yeah, do 15 minutes for now. If you do something from like zero, if you do something from 0 to what would it be? I don't know, 14 minutes. You can either combine or ignore. All right. So 8 hours. I'm reading, email, Number the Stars. Math, is it Dreambox? Is it a math game, like Math Hoops? Remember there was a Math Hoops email that went out, and you could order or parents can order a Math Hoops game, and then you can play that at home with your family. I think what they'll do is they'll mail you the game box to your house. What else do we do? Oh, hopefully I've been working on social emotional learning. I've been working on Your Kid That's Me. Don't think of this as something you're going to finish in, I don't know, a week or two. It might, if you work on it, let's say 15 minutes per day, then maybe you can get it done in 2 weeks. So it's probably a total, I'd say Kid This Me is realistically a 4 hour project. Uh, project. So I'm going to put this. That means about. So 4 hour project total. And I'm going to give you a guidelines. Guidelines are coming soon. So what are some other well, whatever else you do for your 8 hours of work. I know I gave you that map where it was the world map, and you had to uh, apologies to the more geographically literate than me. Okay, let's say this is the world map, and we did a total of, different activities like population, just a list of the countries, right? We listed the countries and did all that. So anything that you're doing for 8 hours, just start writing it down. So that's, I should back up and say that. Log list or log on paper. And list or log a day in your life. Okay. On paper. Let's see. Oh, the other, well, that's it. So 8 hours of sleep. You may do more. 8 hours of work. You can do more, but I wouldn't do much more than that. And then lastly, 8 hours of what you will. For me, that's another word for other, miscellaneous, and etc. So, for example, for the 8 hours of what you will, I'm doing things like I have to take care of the dog, Trixie, and she got a haircut recently, so I'm taking care of her. We have a backyard, so we're doing things like I have to sweep. I have to sweep the backyard. I have recycle bins, so we have to put out our recycle bins. And you'll notice what I'm doing right now is I'm drawing as much as writing. Right now, I'm drawing more than I'm writing. So chores, cook. I know some people cook food. Definitely have to eat. Eat. All right. So these are some things I want you to do. You can share this. Oh, the other thing you should do is play. I'm not spending too much time playing Spidey. I am, however, practicing my ukulele a little bit. Okay. And whatever else you're doing is cool. Miss you all. I'm not going to go to sleep yet. I'm drawn to that because this whole thing is tiring. All right. If you have any questions, you can put them on our Google Classroom, and I look forward to talking with you more later. All right. Take care, everybody. Spidey and I say bye-bye for now.